Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Annie again with another 15 pair ThredUp Rescue Mystery Box. Now this box came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, and I paid full price for this box. I had no credits. It was $80 for 15 pairs with shipping and handling and taxes, $96.06. So that averages out to about $6 a pair. So let's get into it. Give y'all a first look. This is just my receipt. $8. Let's see if I can pick this up. It's kind of heavy. Interesting. Okay, and of course, with Pennsylvania, you know we have the famous rubber bands. My last few have been from Arizona. Don't know what's happened with Georgia. I haven't had one from them in a while. Alright, so first off, we have a pair of Referral, which is cool. Now, these do have some dirt on them. Hopefully, I can clean that up. And this looks like a small size. They might actually be kids. Let's look inside and see. USA Women, size 7. They're kind of cool, though. I like those. Okay. Next, we have some espadrille sandals, which is awesome. I need these for the summer. Oh, Union Bay. I didn't know they still made Union Bay. That was popular back in the 90s, right? 80s, 90s. These are cute. I like those. And is that navy or black? I think that's black and white. Big on print. Let's see if they have a size. I'm not seeing a size, but they look to be about a 8, I would say, but I will measure. Oh, pair of Coach. They are dirty. And these are a size 10B. And see, they're dirty in the footband, but that is fabric, so I can probably clean that up. Those are cute. It's got the Coach on the strap. And the bottoms look really good. That's nice. Pair of Toms. The cork heel, red, and these look to be in good shape. These are a size 7. And I think those style of Toms do pretty good. Here we got a pair of heels. Ooh. Let's see what these are. I think they're Daisy. No, Ann Taylor. They have the little back zipper. They do show some wear on the bottom. And these are these are 5.5. Okay, next. Soft, however you want to pronounce it. A comfort shoe. Got my window open and one of those wood bees just flew up to it. Kind of scared me. But I've got a screen, so he can't get through there. Okay. Pair of Steve Madden. And these have some dirt. We'll see if we can get them cleaned up. And these are a size 8 medium. Those will be cute for a wedding or a prom. They do show some foot markings in there. A pad. Let's see what these are. Oh, white. J. Crew. But let's see with them being white. Actually, they look pretty well. No, I spoke too soon. There's some black right there. I think I can probably get that off easily. Let's see what size they are. It says a size 10. They're a little smaller than a 10, but sometimes these heels can deceive you. Make a shoe look smaller than what it is. The bottom show a little wear. Next, pair of Steve Maddens. Oh, how cute. A white sneaker. Got the little pink on the back. And these appear to be in okay shape. They do need washing. That's the biggest thing. They just need washing. What size are these? Size 9.5. It's right down the inside. Another pair of Coach. Okay, this might be the Coach box, huh? These are like driving loafers. Silver, size 7.5. And these appear to be good shape. We, of course, just have to make sure they're real, which I think they are. They have all the, you can see in here, it's got the code, the style. It's got the Coach imprint up in there. I don't know if y'all can see that. No, you're not going to be able to see that. 7.5. They actually might be new. They look really good shape. They're the same size. I always check that now, guys. Ever since I got that pair that was 2 different sizes. The bottoms are in excellent shape. So that's good. Tory Burch. All right, I'm liking it. Oh, well, spoke too soon again. These have a lot of damage on them. The heel. I don't know if you, can y'all see that? These are 8.5s. Then this shoe, nope, see, which if you had some polished, that same color, you could fix that. So I don't know, I may just list them as is. But again, yeah, they've got the, so I'll probably still list those. I'll just put as is, because really if you've got, it's just, it looks like scuffing, and you can get some polish and cover that up. So I'll still list those. Let's see what, oh, a pair of Uggs. Yay, let's see what kind of shape these are in. See these rubber, okay, I'm not going to go off on the rubber band thing. I know y'all tired of hearing that. But, can you see what I mean? It just kind of creases the shoes. Okay, pair of Ugg, Australia. Just your basic Uggs. And they appear to be in good shape. There's the bottoms. Now let's see what size. Let's see, what's that right there? No, that's nothing. Where is the size? I don't see. Usually there's a little tag. But I would say probably about an 8, maybe a 9. But I will get down in there and look for that tag and see. Put those down there. We got 3 pairs left. These are, I don't know, but they look to be not in the greatest shape. Andre Segas. It's hard. The name is wearing off, so it's hard to. Made in Spain. Andre Aggous, or is that Aee? Who knows? See if y'all can tell. But these, I mean, look at they're real dirty. I mean, unless that's the way they're supposed to be. I don't know. But they don't look to be in the best shape. The leather looks worn. But I will still look that name up because I don't think I've ever heard of that name. Anyway, I'll look that up. Alright, next. Woo! Another pair of Coach. Wow. These are different. And, you know, the actual outside of this shoe looks really good. But the inside, which I know nobody will see that when you're wearing them, looks kind of worn. It's like right here, some peeling. Well, they are different. They're size 9. Let's see. Some wear right there. But they're cute. They have the Coach right there, right there. And there's the bottom of both. But that's different. Okay, so we've got 3 pair of Coach so far. 1 pair of Tory Burch. And then we have another pair of Tory Burch. If these are real. Now, this is the kind that I've gotten before that were fake. And these are size 8, and these do look to be real. Let's see. They should have a code. Yep, here it is. Yep. See, you'll see right in there. And then there's another one in there. Now, these look to be in good shape. They just need wiping down. They just need cleaning, and the soles need cleaning. But they appear to be in good shape. Excuse me, guys. Okay, so that's it. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3 pair of Coach, 2 pairs of Tory Burch, which one Tory Burch's was not in the best shape. So, excuse me, guys. Allergies. So, I think a good box. You know, I mean, just with the Coaches and the Tory Burch itself, you definitely, I think I will definitely make my money back. Oh, yeah, and then I forgot. What am I talking about? Sorrel. This was a great box, I think. Now, some of them I do have to work on. I do need to do some cleaning, but I'm happy with this box. Yay for Coach and Tory Burch. All right, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.